Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here four different types of quaternary ammonium ion is given, which is all are in the heterocyclic ring. We have to find which one will be the more acidic, which one will donate H plus easily. Here the question is a tricky question, but you have to look in terms of aromaticity. You have to find the aromaticity of reactant and product. First one is pyridinium ion. If you look at it, the product and reactant is aromatic. If you look at the pyrrole, reactant is anti-aromatic, product is aromatic. If you look at the methylpyridine, reactant and product also aromatic. The fourth one, no influence of aromatic. So our question is how the aromaticity influences the acidity. Normally anti-aromatic systems are unstable, aromatic systems are stable. So if you find it, the pyrrole is anti-aromatic in terms of reactant and product, which is the N plus pyrrole is anti-aromatic and pyrrole is aromatic. So we are going from anti-aromatic to aromatic. So instability to stability. So the system always supposed to have stability. So it can easily lose the H plus, have the high acidity. So pyrrole has high acidity. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.